And pack opening right here. Still, Lightbird token exchange. Bam. Hoping for some all-star ballots. Nope. The states tokens. Nope. Next up, let's do a pro pack. Huge variety pack opening. Then 86 Kyrie Irving. Trending player chance. 3, 2, 1. There. We got a trending token. Do a coded ticket player chance. We got 4 of them. 5, 4. 3, 2, 1. There. Aaron Baines. Hoping for a golden ticket. There. 75 Jabari Parker. Let's open our street back. Bam. Ton of 89s. 389s to be exact. Open our shot shooter pack. Not really that much heat today. Boom. Ooh, 92s. Doubles. Hayward and Barrett's. Still going to pick it. For a chance. 3, 2, 1. Bam, Wendell. Last but not least. I don't think we're going to get the golden ticket. We might. Another Wendell. Looking pretty bad. Only good thing was the sharpshooter. Hey, we got in something. '92 sharpshooter team. Hey, we got Giannis. Got Kent Bazemore up there. Kings now, not the other day. See if I can get this one. This one looks good. Man. Okay. Thank you for watching this. Ready pack opening. Should I? And we're out.